Okay, we have a Romi M17 CNC combination lathe. 17-inch swing, 40-inch centers. Machine serial number is 002084723-403. Machine was new in 2000. We're gonna run her. We have a Fanuc 21 IT control, which 500 RPM. Machine has up to 3000 RPM. The IT control is nice because it has a lot of 3D graphics and teach mode and conversational programming, NG code. 1250. Machine spindle is very quiet. You have digital hand wheels that simulate real hand wheels. How much? 1700, okay. All right, he's moving in the Z and in the X. And again, when you move into manual mode, the control turns into a digital readout. He's going to use now the joystick. Continuous. Machine is, the bolt screws are all quiet. All right. Machine has a 2.56 inch hole in the spindle. It's an A2 6 spindle lock. You have a 3-jaw chuck that does come with the machine. We have the Alora's quick change tool post with it as well. That's your TAILSOCK, number 4 Morse taper. Hey, thank you for watching our video.